This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Headlight bulbs replacement. Apply the parking brake. As an additional safeguard, chock the rear wheels to prevent the vehicle from rolling. Loosen the front wheel lug nuts, then raise the front of the car and support it on jack stands. Remove the appropriate front wheel. Remove the front half of the inner fender splash shield. Pull the splash shield down and out of the way. Locate the circular headlamp weather cap. Rotate the cap counterclockwise and remove it. Disconnect the electrical connector to the headlamp. Lift the wire bail by pressing the outside edge inward while pulling it outward, then swing the bail out of the way. The bulb can now be removed. To install, align the tab on the bulb with the notch in the headlamp housing. Then rotate the wire bail back over the bulb and lock it into place. Attach the electrical connector by aligning it with the prongs of the headlamp and press the connector onto the prongs. Align the tabs of the weather cap, then rotate it clockwise to lock the seal in place. Reinstall the inner fender splash shield. Install the front wheel and lug nuts. Lower the car to the ground and tighten the wheel lug nuts to the specified torque setting. Remove the chocks from the rear wheels.